Hi, I'm Mark Kaplan. I'm a co-founder of CloserConnect. I'm going to take less than 2 minutes to show you how easy it is to get started by popping your logo and contact information onto a new CloserConnect page. So the first time you open up the program, you'll click on New Sales Project, and you can name it anything, of course. You don't need to fill in that second line if you don't want to. Then click Create Project. At this point, you can choose any template. You can always change it later or pop in a custom background. I'll show you how to do that in another video. So when you first open it, there will not be a logo there. So you'll click on where it says Add Logo. And then you can drag and drop it, or you can browse and select. Let's choose this one. Click Add to File. And once it's there, hold your cursor down to size it exactly the way you want it to look. You can also put your contact information right here, as much or as little as you'd like your clients to have. Then you'll pop in your project name, you'll pop in a short message, and then you just click here and start adding content. It's that quick and easy. So we'll have other videos to show more functionality, but this should get you started. Thanks for watching.